Hi there, my name is Simon Saloom. I'm here to give you a market update for Santa Monica, Brentwood, and the Pacific Palisades. It's March 2023. We are in a crazy market in the sense that we are 38% down for number of escrows opened this time versus this time last year. On a good note, there are more escrows being opened this month than there were the month before, so things are going in the right direction. But it's a dramatic change in sort of the market that we've been experiencing. Doesn't mean values are down. I'm not saying that. There's no real evidence of that yet, there may not be. The market's still relatively strong. I think if you're thinking about selling, it's actually a good time to sell. If you're thinking about buying, it's an okay time to buy. There's just not a lot of inventory. And that's what we're seeing across the whole city. So 16% decrease in inventory across Los Angeles. Let's talk about Santa Monica. Homes for sale from this time versus last year are up 50%. There's 5% more homes in Brentwood, and there's 28% more homes in the Pacific Palisades. These are homes for sale. So the inventory has increased a little bit over here. And it depends on the price point and that kind of thing, but that's what we're seeing here. Closed sales are down 45% in Santa Monica, 40% in Brentwood, and 45% in the Pacific Palisades. New listings are up 20% in Santa Monica, up 55% in Brentwood, and 60% in the Pacific Palisades. Days on market, that's sort of, it's been about 10% increase in days on market. There's not enough of a change there. Where there has been a change in a meaningful metric is months supply, which is how many months it would take to sell the current supply at the level of consumption that we're experiencing. Right now, month supply is at 5 months in Santa Monica, 5 months in Brentwood, and 6 months in the Pacific Palisades. Before, last year, it was 2 months supply in Santa Monica, 3 months in Brentwood, and 2 months supply in the Pacific Palisades. Let's just say anything under really 5 months is pretty decent. Like, that's an okay rate of consumption. When you're down to 2 months supply, that's very intense, and we were in a really, really intense market. So it doesn't mean the sky is falling to be in a 5 or 6 or 4 month supply. So let's talk a little bit about condos. So what's happening in the condo market, a little bit different than the single family home market, but a lot of stuff's the same. We're seeing a 40% decline in number of sales of condos in Santa Monica, 45% in Brentwood, and an 80% decline in the Pacific Palisades, which is kind of notable. New listings are down 20 to 40% across these three neighborhoods, and days on market's about 10 to 20%. Month supply has gone from 3 months in Santa Monica to 4 months this year, 2 months in Brentwood to 4 months in Brentwood, and then the Pacific Palisades went from 2 months to 8 months. That's a really big jump. And that's probably, of those three neighborhoods, condos have never been super strong in the Palisades, so you'd expect to see these kinds of numbers there. I hope this has been interesting to you. If you have any questions at all, I'm Simon Saloom, westsidesimon.com. Give me a call, you can send me an email, I'm happy to help.